Hello, nice to meet you guys again. Today I will continue to bring you lesson about addition and number block. Let's study together. 20. I have a block. 4. I have a equal. 24. 12. I have a block. 17. I have a equal. 29. 17. I have a block. 4. I have a equal. 21. 20. I have a block. 8. I have a equal. 28. 3. I have a block. 16. I have a equal. 19. 14. I have a block. 11. I have a equal. 25. 4. I have a block. 12. I have a equal. 16. 10. I have a block. 1. I have a equal. 11. 12. I have a block. 11. I have a equal. 23. 12. I have a block. 5. I have a equal. 17. 13. I have a block. 8. I have a equal. 21. 10. I have a block. 1. I have a equal. 11. 7. I have a block. 10. I have a equal. 17. 9. I have a block. 2. I have a equal. 11. 7. I have a block. 6. I have a equal. 13. 10. I have a block. 4. I have a equal. 14. 18. I have a block. 3. I have a equal. 21. 18. I have a block. 19. I have a equal. 37. I'm so glad I was able to learn it with you today. You guys are awesome to be here. No problem. Let's continue studying. 9. I have a block. 4. I have a equal. 13. 5. I have a block. 14. I have a equal. 19. 6. I have a block. 18. I have a equal. 24. 18. I have a blood. 7. I have a equal. 25. 6. I have a blood. 20. I have a equal. 26. 14. I have a blood. 16. I have a equal. 30. 15. I have a blood. 18. I have a equal. 33. 18. I have a blood. 15. I have a equal. 33. 3. I have a blood. 4. I have a equal. 7. 13. I have a blood. 13. I have a equal. 26. 15. I have a blood. 18. I have a equal. 33. 17. I have a blood. 16. I have a equal. 33. 10. I have a blood. 1. I have a equal. 11. 18. I have a blood. 19. I have a equal. 37. 8. I have a blood. 13. I have a equal. 21. 5. I have a blood. 5. I have a equal. 10. 19. I have a blood. 10. I have a equal. 29. Thank you for listening to me. Sorry, the lesson had ended. See you in the next lesson.